What's the difference between will and going to? In this video, I'm going to break down all of the differences in a simple and concise way so that you never have to worry about it again. Welcome to Zen Fluent Maria. I am Maria and I share weekly English fluency tips and tricks to help you boost your self-confidence and fulfill your highest potential in English. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Today we're talking about one of the most confusing grammar mistakes out there: will and going to. It seems like everyone has an opinion on what the correct use for these words is, but in reality, it is not as complicated as you think. Before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and click on the like button down below to support me. Now, without further ado, let's get started. There are three main differences between will and going to. The first one is will expresses actions that are decided at the moment of speaking, decisions that we make while we speak. For example, I will have a dessert after I finish this meal. So I am eating right now and I'm deciding that I will have a dessert after, which is a decision made at the moment of speaking. Going to expresses future plans which are made before the moment of speaking. For example, I'm going to visit Spain in May, meaning I have a plan to visit Spain during the month of May. The second difference is this: will indicates a certain prediction based on personal opinions without having any evidence for it. And it usually goes along with the verbs think or believe or suppose or guess. For instance, I think my boyfriend will propose to me this Saturday. Whereas going to indicates a prediction based on an evidence we have in the present. So with going to, what we predict about usually has some sort of evidence with it. For instance, there is a big black cloud in the sky. It is going to rain soon. So our evidence is that black cloud in the sky, and based on that, we predict that it is going to rain soon. The last difference you should know is will expresses a future fact, something that will for sure happen in the future. For example, tomorrow the sun will rise at 8:30 and it will set at 5 p.m. While going to expresses something that is just about to happen. For example, cover your ears. She's going to scream very loudly. Finally, you can use both will and going to when you want to make predictions without a specific difference in their meaning. Now that you have learned the difference between will and going to, let's practice together. I will give you a couple of sentence examples, so pause this video if you need more time and say your answer. The first one: do you have any plans for tomorrow? Yes, I visit my grandparents. The second one: why is she learning Portuguese? She traveled to Portugal. Third one: we are thirsty. Wait here, I get some water. How did you perform on these examples? Hopefully this video helped you to understand the difference between will and going to. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up to support me. Until the next video, I wish you a wonderful, beautiful day. Stay zen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.